Did you know that more than half of all homeowners in Loveland, Colorado will need to replace their roof at some point in their life? If you're thinking about replacing your roof, you probably realized it can be a pretty daunting task. You want to make sure you get the job done right so you don't have to do it again for years, and especially not in the middle of snow season. That's why we at Dennys Roofing take pride in our 5-star service and installation procedures. We truly believe that going above and beyond is what makes us different from other companies. And it's what keeps our customers coming back again and again. We've been serving Loveland, Colorado, and the surrounding areas for over 10 years. And we work hard to ensure you receive 5-star customer service from the beginning to the end of your project. We know what a big decision it is to spend money on your home, but we promise you, you won't regret calling us. Our experienced team will work hard to ensure that every step of the process goes smoothly and efficiently. From picking out the right materials for your roof to making sure everything looks beautiful when we're done. We believe that customer service is the most important part of what we do here at Dennys Roofing. We're not a huge multi-layered company where you just become another job number. We work hard to ensure that you're taken care of like a friend, family member, or neighbor. Don't just take our word for it. Give us a call or send an email today and see how different we can be. Contact us at 970-239-8236 for a free roof inspection, free consultation, and estimate. Or go to our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Loveland-roofing-company. Experience the difference yourself